In this video, we are going to introduce how to use COUNTIF and COUNTIFS in Excel. These two functions are very useful to count the number of cells that satisfy one or more criteria, so we can have a better understanding of the data. The format of COUNTIF is pretty simple, just the range and the criteria. And for COUNTIFs, we just need to add multiple ranges and criteria and separate them by using the commas. Now let's take a look at this example. This table shows the students' final exam grades in the physics course. And now we would like to know how many students can get grade letter A and how many students can get grade letter B using these given grade ranges. For the first, if the student's grade is greater than 95, the student can get A. And there is only one criteria here, so we are going to use COUNTIF. Start with an equal sign, COUNTIF. The first one, select the range, and we know the range is the column of these grades. So we're going to select the first, hit Shift, click the last, and then we select the whole range. And comma, criteria, the grade has to be greater than 95. So we are going to use the quotation mark. Larger, equal, 95. Quotation mark. And that's it. Hit enter. So it shows there are 8 students who can get an A because their grades are greater than 95. The next one, if the student's grade is between 85 to 95, the student can get a B. And there are 2 criteria here. And in this case, we need to use COUNTIFs. Equal COUNTIFs. Select the first range, same, the column of the student's scores, comma, quotation mark, greater than 85, quotation mark, comma, and then the range number 2, the same range, comma, criteria, and we know this one should be less than 95, so quotation mark, less than 95. Hit enter. It shows there are 22 students who got grades between 85 to 95, and they can get grade letter B for this course. So this is how to use COUNTIF and COUNTIFs in Excel.